Hey, how y'all doing? This Kevin from Pickin in the Hood too. Yeah, cause we pick in the hood too. Hey, I just want to make a video about what I sold today, and I sold like probably 9 things, and I never made a video where I'm showing you what I sold. Hey, don't pay attention to that junk in the background. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the process of straightening up. You all remember all them big bands back there? Now they over there. See that? I cleaned all this stuff up, and I'm trying to clean this office up to make it look presentable. But anyway, yeah, this is my 11th episode. My name is Kevin. I'm from St. Louis, and I pick in the hood because we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey, I want to go over a couple of things that I sold. You know, I buy a whole lot of Christmas stuff during Christmas, and I sell it, on eBay. And I just started that this year. I used to sell video games. That's it. So I used to sell. But first thing I want to show you guys is that I bought a big bag of Christmas stuff for like $5. And I go through it and I see what sells. I see what sells out those things. I found a couple of things in this one bag that I bought. They're selling for not big money, but big money for the ornaments that I saw. I got 2 of these. See these little horses? These little horses sold for $20.50. I think I sold them for one from one customer, another from another. I don't know how I'm gonna send them though, but I'm in the process of. I'll probably wrap them up in a whole lot of bubble wrap and put them in a big old bubble envelope. That's probably what I do. But now remember, I paid $6. This bag had probably about 100 items in it. So I paid about 10 cents for this, probably, when you calculate everything. 10 cents. And let me show you. Let me bring that up on my laptop of what I sold it for. And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the power of eBay and what people know what they want. And they don't give a damn. $10.90. So I'm wrong. $10.90. Let me show you. Let me turn y'all around and show you what I'm working with right here. You see that? See that right there? $20.90. That's how much I sold it for. That's how much it sold for. I sold 2 of them. Okay, let me turn back around. Okay, now I don't know how I'm gonna ship that though. Woo! I don't know, but it's getting out of here. You can believe that. Yeah, so that was a pretty good sale. And I remember I got 2 of them. So that's $40 for $5. Well, actually it's like $42. I mean $42 because it was $20.90 for $6. I mean $5. So another thing I want to show you guys that I sold. If I could pull it up. I sold this Guitar Hero brand new for the Wii U. I got this from one of my favorite stores for $6. $6. Brand new. Never been opened, sealed. $6. You want to see how much I sold it for? Woo, you won't believe it, but sometimes you luck up and find stuff like that, and sometimes you don't. But I think I sold it for $60-something. I don't know why it's taking so long for my computer to go over so I can show it to you. But I think the person paid $60 for it. $60. And I paid $6. So, while I'm waiting, I'm just talking to you. The thing is, you don't know what's gonna sell and what's not, and you don't know what you're gonna find when you go in these places. And I'm gonna start making videos of what going in these places and showing you what I'm picking. But by now, I just can't. I can't hold my phone, all kind of stuff. So I don't feel comfortable doing it. I don't feel comfortable, carrying my phone in these places, recording because I don't know how to hold my phone, stuff like that, and I don't want to get kicked out either. So gonna start recording because it's amazing when I find stuff. Well, I'm happy as hell when I find something that's worth something. So I want you all to see the true emotions that come out when you pick in the hood and you find something in the hood that's worth something. I want you guys to just see it, see the pure emotion, you know. So I don't understand what's wrong with my computer, but anyway, I'm gonna go through with the rest of it. Okay, I was gonna show you how much the person paid for that, but my computer is messing up. And I just sold this. I bought this brand new, I want to say in the 90s, early 2000s. You know, I got a whole lot of old stock. But see this American Graffiti 55 Chevy right here. Everybody, I guess I told you guys that I'm a high rider. You know, I collect, I got 65 Chevys and I got stuff like that. So I'm working on cars since I was like 13. So I got a whole lot of stuff like this. This 55 Chevy right here was selling for $100 on there. And I sold mine for, I think somebody put a bid in on it for $60-something. But anyway, hold on a minute. Let me pull this up. Let me show y'all this because it's finally got somewhere. Okay, I sold that for $65. It's a Wii U Guitar Hero 2. Okay. And it's a bundle. So, what's taking so long? What the fuck? Anyway, I don't know what's wrong. Sometimes your computer get whatever. Just make mistakes sometimes. Sometimes, glitches. That's what word I was looking for. Glitches. What the hell wrong with my mouth? Anyway, here it is. See that? See that Guitar Hero? $65 right there. Brand new. I was in the store. And I put this on eBay while I was standing in the store. I was in the store and I put this on eBay. As soon as I wasn't even getting my cart, I put it on eBay while I was in the store. Okay. Now, the 55 Chevy I just showed you, I'm finna pull that up. And, now somebody sent me I'm standing there. Somebody sent me an offer on this lamp I got. Anyway, let me pull up this 55 Chevy. Shoot, I don't even see it now. What the hell just happened? Hold on a minute. You guys. Something wrong. Okay, let me go back. I went back, and I don't know what just happened, but let me pull this up. Okay, here it is. Damn, I just sold something while I'm talking to you guys. I just sold a game. But anyway, let me pull up the 55 Chevy so you can see it. So you won't think I'm playing around. $65, how much I sold it for. But I already had it for a long time. I got all them stuff in them containers over there. Video games and stuff that I bought a long time ago. So you can see right here. See, I had it on there for $80. A guy sent me a offer for $65 and I took it. But I had it on there for $80. See, that's it. Had it on there for $80. I took a $65 offer on it. I had it on there for, I've been getting, people been watching it for a long time, and I never had an offer on it, so it's been on there for like probably about 2 months, and I had like 15 people watching it, so I finally sold it. There's another thing that I sold, and I'm gonna contact these people because I don't know what I did with it, but I sold a U-Draw tablet. You probably never heard of that before, but this is a 360, Xbox 360, and they wanted to know was the box damaged or was it sealed wrapped? And I took a look at it and it wasn't. And I don't know what I did with it though, but I'm gonna find there it is over there. I'm gonna find it because it's an open box. So they I think I'm gonna give them like probably a $10 refund because it's an open box. They paid $24 for it. So I think I'm gonna give them a $10 refund. But anyway, there it is. You draw. The one that's on this picture right here. I sold that one, and it's got the wrap around it. See that wrap? It's got the wrap around it. This other one don't. So I'm gonna see if they still want it, and I'm not gonna even wrap it up yet. I'm not gonna even wrap it up to send yet. But I sold that for $24.50 with free shipping. So anyway, let's go to the next item that I sold. Okay, now remember I got a whole lot of old stock video games, and all this stuff I used to sell. Go to Target, and Target used to have the video games marked down to like $4, and I used to buy all of them. Now this right here is a pro football game. I got two of them, brand new. I bought probably back when it first came out, and when the new games come out and they like discount or clearance the old games. That's what I got this one for. It's called Pro Football. Pro Football 2000. What's that? 2008. So that's how long I had this, brand new, in the package, brand new. So I got that. Sold that for $37, and I got two of those. So, I mean, I'm sorry. I had on it for 37. I got an offer for 30, and I took that 30. Okay, so I got that, and then let me show you what else. Okay, I picked this up for $1 at a thrift store. It's a brand new Vizio TV remote control. Brand new. So let me show you. I sold that for $9.50, and I had it for free shipping. So it cost me $2 and $2 and something to ship that. $2.75, I think. So I didn't make that much money off of it, but all I paid was $1, so it don't make no difference. Okay, so that's a brand new remote. Let me show you what else I sold. I sold this for $14.50. I don't know how to play this game. It's some kind of slap game or something. I don't know how to play that. But $14.50 with free shipping. See that? Slap mat or stack mat. I'm sorry. Speed stackers. I don't know what that is. I don't know how to play it. I don't know nothing about it. But I sold it for let me go back. I sold it for $14.50. Okay, let's go to this other one. It's another one of them games that I had already ever since, for about over 10 years. I had this game. It's called Into the Darkness. It's a video game, PS3 video game. See that? Brand new, brand spanking new in the container. So I sold that for dang, you all up in my grill. Anyway, I sold that for $15. That's how much I sold that for. Okay, another item I sold was this old school Madden football, Super Nintendo. I got plenty of that. I've been having these games for so long, and I'm just now selling them. I was going to keep them, because when I get my theater room together, I was going to have all these old game systems and stuff set up down there. And but I decided to sell it. But this brand new sealed Madden Football 1993 Super Nintendo. I got two of those. Guess how much I sold that for, y'all? $60. $60 I sold that for. And I got two of them. $60. So, don't throw away your old stuff. Okay, now the other day, I was in one of my favorite stores, and I found these Coleman These Coleman steel cups. And I just sold these for $32. 3 of them. See them right there? I paid 50 cents a piece for those. Because, you know, cups in these thrift stores, some of them are 50 cents a piece, some of them are $1. Depends on what they are. I buy a whole lot of Starbucks. You know, anything that look funny or look good, I buy them and I sell them. So I sold a whole lot of Starbucks stuff. I got one that I'm keeping that, I don't know if you can see it back there, but it's got fish. See that bass fish one right there? With fish in it? I might keep that one. But yeah, I sell a whole lot of cups. I sold these for $32. And $32, I got my asking price for those. And they paid $5.35 shipping. So let me see. That's probably all that I sold. I sold some stuff nobody haven't paid for yet. But anyway, yeah, I'm finna ship this stuff off, y'all. This is Kevin with Pickin in the Hood too, because we pick in the hood too. We sure do. Yeah. But I'm finna go ahead and pack this stuff up and send it off. Like I said, I don't know how I'm packing these little horses up. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I got another one that's on there that's made by the same company. Now remember, these are antique horses. See what that say? 1982 on there. That say 1982. That's when that was made, 1982. So I got another one that's got 1987 on there. It's like a tan color horse. It ain't worth nothing but like probably $10. I'm gonna put that on there. But yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna send these, y'all. But I'm gonna send them because the people pay for them, so they gotta get it. You know what I'm saying? They got to get it. So I'm sending it to them. I'm sending the rest of this stuff off, and then I'll make another video later about how I go picking and how I get these things. But you know, I bought some golf shoes the other day that's worth probably about. I buy golf shoes all the time, and usually you can't sell them number like $20 or a little bit over 20. These I forgot the name of them, but they sell them for like $60, $70. You know what I'm saying? Brand new, they over $100. So I looked up and got those for $4. So I got some stuff coming, and especially that I bought the other day. And I bought this big, you won't believe this. I'm going to show you this. I'll probably make a video of this when I get to work. But I bought a big container of old vintage He-Man characters. He-Man. Almost all the characters, you know. So I'm going to list those to see how much I can get for those. Excuse me. Yeah, excuse me. Sometime in the hood you get tired and you start yawning in the hood. You know what I'm saying? Word to the mother sucker. But anyway, look, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. And just remember, picking in the hood, because we pick in the hood too. We sure do. Hey, I'll see y'all later. Peace.